This is the roofing sheet reforming machine. You can check the fitting width is 1220 millimeter. 5 peaks. One single layer can do the 2 profiles. They are different. They are same sizes, just a different fitting width. The roofing sheet reforming machine. Step-by-step forming. Here is the cast iron machine stands. Here is one glaze tile reforming machine with gearboxes transmission. The rollers will do the quenching, tempering, and mirror polishing. It's very. You can check the finishing. Cast iron machine stands. Using cast iron machine stands, here also need to do CNC milling. And here is one rack beam reforming machine using hydraulic saw cutting. And here is gearboxes transmission, that is straightening unit. Here is welding unit. The cutting we use flying cut, non-stop cutting. You check.